Punk 101 with McNulty. Today we're going through gasoline. Who threw gasoline on the fire? Yeah, don't worry about subscribing or liking, whatever. I don't see. I'm not fussed about it. It's a waste of time, really. These lessons just about showing you how to play some awesome NOFX songs, so you can just love this shit. You know, like I love it. It's wicked. They're awesome songs. Won't be posting anything else but NOFX songs. So don't be asking for any other shit. I reckon you're better off picking out, all the songs you want to learn and making your own little folder to put them in, so you don't have to go on my page and deal with all my shit and all my different fucking stuff you might not even be bothered with and stuff, So they're all called Learn to Play whatever by NOFX with McNulty. So like this one, Learn to Play Gasoline by NOFX. So, alright, we'll get into it, eh? Starts off with the bass, intro, and the guitar comes in over it. So I'm on D string, 7th fret there. I'm going those two notes together. I'll try and get it a bit close so you can. Same chords, but it's got a bit of a shuffle. After the intro, coming in on the 5th fret, A. A, G, F, C, G, C, B flat, A, F, G, C. We're going to go up high for this next bit. 12, 14, 15. Back to 14 there. 10, 8, 5, 3. And when you're going in that up to the 12, you go to the harmonic chord. So if you play the normal one, it's not going to sound quite right. And once you get back up to there, you jump back. So. Go up to the G. The next riff starts on the C. B flat. A. Yeah, that's it. B flat. F. And back to the C. C. E. F. A, and then go back to the F, G, A, G, F, G, C. It's a bit of a jump around. We'll go through that again. C, B flat, F, C, go through again. C, E, F, A, F, G, Yeah, I'll go and look quick. And you let that ring out on the C, and the bass comes in with its little shuffle. And then when we come back in, how we played it, this time we start down here on the 12th, go the opposite way around. So that's a little bit different there. How before, when it went to the C, well, the second time it goes back to the F, and then back to the G. So then that leaves the C open to come in on the. So that's just the same riff we just learned a minute ago anyway, so I'm not going to fucking repeat that. So it stops after that, and there's just that other bit there, So C, G, E, F, back to the G. There's that little bit of it, that bit of play there with that pick in hand to get that sound right with it. Plays that 3 times, because there's 2 there without the lyrics, and then it comes in with the lyrics. And then it goes the opposite way through it. So rather than G, F, you go on F, G. E, then back to the G one. F one. And then the last bit, it's the same chord, riff as before, like. But you palm mute it real quiet. And then everything comes in on the A. And the last note, 15th fret. Fucking easy. fuck that night. Ah, nice one. Gotta love it. Stop playing there, mate. There we go. Yeah, look, a certain song you want to learn that I can put up, put it in the comment section or whatever. You know, if I see it there, I'll get onto it, I'll sort it out. Yeah, soon as well, there are going to be another lot of guitar parts I'm posting that will all the lessons I've done, basically. I jam with a mate that plays all the other guitar parts, so I do all the basic rhythm parts and I sing the vocals when we jam. And he shreds all the harder bits and all the lead breaks, like old Grug the Destroyer. He's an absolute shredder. So he's going to be posting all the other guitar parts to go with all my parts. So you'll actually have access to both guitar parts. So if there's a fucking melody or something you can hear in the song there and I'm not playing it, that's because he plays it. And you'll be able to get access to that soon. So, you know, fuck, if you're that keen, you'll be able to learn both parts and you'll be running rings around me anyway. Yep, always remember, fellas, fucking best medicine of life is a daily dose of NOFX.